Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'm going to share with you wonders they normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you. Without not wasting much of your time, let us dive into the reason why we are here. So, my people, still on still, I really want to deliberate on this issue. I was really like pondering on what is happening, everything from the attorney to the lobbies to the people to the supporters. Now, it was brought to us that the lobby sued Dr. Ngozi Orabuezi. In fact, some of the allegation that is attached to the lawsuit is that Dr. Ngozi Orabuezi should submit the IPOB member database. And also, she should also provide their fees. Hey, and I said, "Shoo, let's go back. Let's rewind the clock. When Simon Ekpa dey around, does that mean that they've not been paying these lobbies? Wait, oh,
Right, don
when
sister.
Simon Ekpa was around, does that mean that the aliens they are not collecting money? The attorney they don't pay them because this is just 6 months that Simon Ekpa was not around, and we are hearing all this. Does that mean that they have been holding them salary unpaid? That aside, one question. Look at people that are crying that they don't have money, they don't have money. They still get money wey they use dey sue person. This lawsuit now, is it free to appear in court? These people, they are so expensive. Ma tell you, this US attorney and lobbies, to carry them not be my. They are so expensive. If after pascaling Simon Ekpa or after the arrest of Simon Ekpa and they cannot meet up to the payment, why are they still retaining them? They no go allow them, make them go, make them continue with what they are doing first. My people, life wey you dey see so na ginger. If your hand not reach that thing, you withdraw. Don't say you want to do it for people to hail you. Don't say you want to do it for people to recognize you when you know that you don't have what it takes. Why don't you people use that money you are using for this lawsuit now to arrange or to settle some people or some things that you people are crying for? See, let me tell you something. I tell una before, say Progress the Analyst, na here e for dey happen. We go talk am as e be. Now, that is one side. If peradventure today una succeed to keep Dr. Ngozi mute, una succeed to silence her, will Biafran people give you guys this money? Because I dey hear some people say, oh, the fund is divided, the fund is divided. If everything is going to one account, everything will be okay. My people, na lie o. Do you think that if today una succeed to push Dr. Ngozi comot from road, so okay, she no longer come online to do fundraising, nothing is happening, do you people think that you will get that money that you need? Na lie. Biafran people, they are wise. They will not still be giving you people that money. Another thing is that, what is the message they are not passing to Finland? Because Progress the Analyst, I am here to set the record straight. Una know me, I go talk am as e be. Nobody appeared in court when we see Simon Ekpa. He was sitting alone, himself and the lawyer. Now, people wey dey no go Finland at all to even sit down for bench, they are not the one doing the suing. They are not the one telling the world that Simon Ekpa still have membership database. What is the reason of bringing this thing at this moment? We saw Simon Ekpa the other day. When you look at his face, you see annoyance. You see disappointment. Simon Ekpa dey very disappointed in everything when it dey happen. You guys are now using Simon Ekpa's name to say you are suing Dr. Ngozi on behalf of Simon Ekpa. This thing is open. It is everywhere that the IPOB database should be given to you guys through Dr. Ngozi Orabuezi. Now, if the Nigeria government add that one, so okay, Finland though, there is database, Simon Ekpa can lay his hands on those database. Tell Simon Ekpa to bring out the IPOP membership database. what will happen? What will happen? Una wan put innocent people for problem, abi? Now, if you see Simon Ekpa that day and you look at him very closely, you will see that Ada Onyoncho just lied to the Biafran people that Simon Ekpa call am. Simon Ekpa send message. Simon Ekpa say fall back. Foul. All is lie. Lies upon lies. That is what they are built up. There is nothing like truth among what they are saying. Ada Onyoncho said, Simon Ekpa said, fall back. When you look Simon Ekpa face that day, you see Simon Ekpa like, who does see any of these people? 9. Simon Ekpa have not set his eyes on anybody. It is obvious. Among God, those people say they visit Simon Ekpa, they do this. It is all lie. And if you see what is happening now, you will see that vagabond is now feeding Ada Onyoncho information on what is happening in Brigi. Let me tell you something. The handwriting is on the wall. It is obvious. Vagabond, and Ada Onyoncho, they are not bringing out all the secret that is happening in Brigi. The music that is playing right now is just that Vagabond is feeding Ada Onyoncho information, authentic, first-class information on what is happening in Brigi. See, nothing. If you look, nothing is happening there because Vagabond has set the record straight, telling Ada Onyoncho some things that is going on. All these people, they are a bunch of liars. I told you, they are not fighting for any freedom. I say you see this place, no leave, no transfer. I will keep on coming here to say the truth. What is really the reason of suing Dr. Ngozi at this time? The lobbyist is now looking for their money. The attorney is now looking for their money. Bring itself that they look for money and they see money. Today they go, they sue Dr. Ngozi. Who is fooling who? Who is doing who? Una they look for money. That is why you people are doing fundraising. Una carry all the money when una use for fundraising. Carry give one person so that they sue Dr. Ngozi. Do you people think that you are doing Dr. Ngozi? No. Now the innocent people when una they collect money from, now they cry for inside. You see this my reverse, I reverse this time around. I say you have the right to talk to any government, anybody that is not getting it right, to have the right. Me, Progress the analyst, no, I will not challenge you. No. I will not tell you, oh, why are you talking to Dr. Ngozi? Why are you talking to this one? No, you have your right because the way I reason is not the same way you reason. It's just for Dr. Ngozi or whosoever you are talking to sit up and to do the right thing. But in a situation whereby your end, your view is now a way of cashing out, is now a way of accusing, bringing false information and false narrative to people. Is not a way of lying to the people. That one, I go, that make me come here say no. I have to be putting the touch for inside Ada Onyoncho nyach. Then I will be bringing out everything. She and Vagabond. Make una watch you. A lot of truth will unfold as time goes on. A lot of things is going to come out that is going to shocktalize all of you. These people, they will soon come out broad daylight to confess. I also saw some people saying that Dr. Ngozi will also explain the $150,000 that he said is with Mr. Ogekere. Una see sir tell una say this thing dey rotate. Una know say na person wey bring this thing come this social media na Ada Onyoncho. Yes, she is the one that brought a lot of accusation. She brought everything out. What are we saying? If una dey do this thing, una dey do am straight. We know how many people when Ada Onyoncho don lay false accusation upon this thing I talk about before. As e dey pain them, e go dey sweet me. As e dey sweet me, omo, e dey pain them. Una see una life. This is how you people lay false accusation on people. Hey, na Vagabond now. E dey draw in nyash, dey go back. E dey back there. They feed Ada Onyoncho. All the things that is happening in Brigi. Make una watch you. Battle of Muzanga is coming. The one that we are going to watch, e go worst. I dey tell una, you people should just be calm and watch all these people that are not fighting for Biafra, that are coming on social media to make noise, to cash out, to make money, all of them. And I go see wetin go happen later. The truth, that is what will stand the test of time. And I know say it won't be long. The truth will be out. When I tell you, I say these people, they are not fighting for Biafra, you thought I'm joking, abi? I said they are not fighting for Biafra, you thought I'm joking. Now come to think of it, the same people that are shouting woto 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 follow Simon Ekpa, they are not the same people referring to him as self-acclaimed prime minister. Self-acclaimed prime minister. Say na Simon Ekpa be. These people, they are never to be trusted. Anytime that they clap for you like this, check yourself, oh, check yourself. If Ada Onion Cho they hail you, hey, check yourself, oh. If vagabond is talking and is spitting out, check yourself. These people, they're not this stable. They are not stable. They are non-entity. They have nothing to offer. Bunch of vagabonds, now they be. I tell you, they will soon come out to confess. You people should just mark today's date. They go come out to confess. You see, that wuru they did. If at all Ada Onyoncho had any message from Simon Ekpa, you go know say not be true message. They deceived her. Yes, so wetin internet not go fit do, and also that truth about that will also come out, because Simon Ekpa that we saw that day, he looks like who have not seen anybody among the big cabinet. I am telling you the truth. People that are going to visit Simon Ekpa that cannot appear in court, that cannot go to court, or what you hear from them, we go visit Simon Ekpa, we go, all of them, everything is all lie. Especially this one where they call do this suing. That is when I know that there is nothing there. These people, they are just trying to use you. If they have the money to give to attorney to suit Dr. Ngozi, now there I know say they are just trying to frustrate the Biafran people. But trust Progress the analyst. That is why I am here. At I begin to imagine, say, Progress the analyst, why you never carry this your touch they wallow their nyashes? I wish Progress the analyst or carry this touch since they wallow. I believe say Simon Ekpa for not make some mistake when he make. I am telling you the truth. Now they are trying to push Dr. Ngozi. Hey, we want to be shouting woto woto. We want to be shouting woto woto. You know, go take everybody go enter house. They go leave her for Joshua. So that is why the woman, she's using her brain. I tell you, she's using her brain to do what she is doing. I said it before. I say, don't let anybody pressure you. Because if he said, see Simon Ekpa now, they are now referring to him as self-acclaimed prime minister. Not the minister again, no. Self-acclaimed prime minister. What about you? See my people, trust Progress the analyst. I am here to keep you updated. And again, the attorney, they not get money again. Market don't spoil. Market don't finish. No money is coming out. Nothing is moving anymore. The type of huge money that are collected from this Biafran people before, time of Simon Ekpa is no longer coming forth. And also imagine, since Simon Ekpa left, it's like they never received their normal salary. All those things put together, they say no, they have to pay their fees. And this money not be small money. Una so now they find money for women or grand. According to Ada Onion Cho, una they carry the money, they go they give attorney. See, now here I do. Now here I dey, I go dey tell una the truth. Who won't hear the truth make you hear? Who no wan hear? Bo, that one na your thorough. But Progress the analyst, I must keep you updated. See, don't believe all these people. All these people, they are not fighting for Biafra now. They are not fighting for Biafra. They are Ada Onion Cho and vagabond. They are just trying to implicate Simon Ekpa wherever he is. Hey, my goodness. Look at what these people are doing. Hey, Biafra Prime Minister, for that matter, now it don't turn to self-acclaimed Prime Minister. For you to know that it is only when they are seeing you, they value you. Once something happens to you, you are on your own. That is why I am saying it. If you follow these people, may you do it. Tie your seat belt, be very wise and be very vigilant. So my beautiful family, I say let me come and drop this one here, because it be like say this one na anywhere belle face hungry don't come. attorney and lobbies they don come out. Hey, we don see this type of drama, we don see am no be today. This one e can never move anybody. Anyways, I still remain your one and only baby girl, Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you so dearly, and bye for now.